my diamonds make it hurt.
Hi guys, here we are doing paper 2018, October, November. This paper of winter paper 3. We are in paper 3, and right now we are doing the topic data analysis. That's the spreadsheet part. So here we are going to have some kind of, what is that, sheds information, you're going to prepare a spreadsheet to calculate the storage capacity and sales price for each type of shed. So there are sheds and of its making and their area, of all calculation of its capacity and sale price, all we are gonna do in this or work on that. Use the most efficient methods. Fine. Here display all currency values in $2 and to 2 decimal places. So it's a dollars, the default currency setting for us. That's fine. And lengths to 1 decimal place, all lengths like length, width and height, single value. Fine. The basic values are in 1 decimal place, and areas, the calculated one, that be area is of 2 decimal places, and the capacities are in 3 decimal places since it's a cube, right? Meter cube, centimeter cube, and this is meter square or centimeter square. Okay, now this has been noted. Fine. And about the evidence we have in the beginning in this question paper, just you have to prepare the question paper with all your details and keep ready. Fine. Now let's start the questions here. We have to open file N183 shed using Excel. Okay, which what software we are using? We are using Excel. So let's go to the folder, and this one, N183 shed. Select, right click, open with Excel. Okay, just let me zoom out. See, this is the data we have. This is the data we have about weights and the heights, and this is all I guess we have to calculate, right? Cost of materials, surface area, sale price and all, lot of stuff, calculations. Okay, now let's get back. Add your name, center number and candidate number in the header or the footer. Okay, they told us to do anywhere. Okay, that will do. And save this spreadsheet as a something name, the one name, and we have to add our details as well. That to be, what is that? The candidate number. Okay, now let's come here and go to view, then layout, page layout, and either header or footer. So I will just prefer header. Oh, where am I doing? Here in the header. Okay, just double click there. This is the name, just any fake details you can give right now. Okay, done. And I have to save this as a Excel sheet. Now just let me go back and get a normal view of it. View. Header photo we're going to close. Normal. Okay, so these are all the details of Sure. Yeah, this one. Now I have to save it. File, save as. In the same folder, I'll save. Then just have to use shed underscore. I'll add what? I'll add my candidate number. Okay, let me and save it as Excel workbook. Okay, because I have already a file, so it's giving me that dialog. Next, question 10 is done. No, only till here it's done. Insert 5 new rows at the top of the spreadsheet. Okay, 5 new rows. Let's do that. Just select the row, the first, the top row. Home. Here insert under cells. Just start with 1. Insert sheet rows. After that, 4 more we have to just click on insert. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, these are the 5. Next, add these labels and format the cells to look like this. Okay, so we have to do it by ourselves, just looking at this. Okay, she loves steel shirts by merging from A1 to K1. So here let me enter that Sheila's, it's apostrophe S, Sheila's steel shirts. Okay, and let me just merge from here to where till here. Home, merge and center. After this, now what else? Cost of steel per square meter. In first A3, cost of steel per square meter. Okay, here, cost of steel per square meter. Okay, this is one. And what more? In B3, cost factor. In B3 here, cost factor. And what is the value in A4? I guess there's a value 1.54. 1.54. And what is the cost factor in B4? That is 2.6. 2.6. Okay, now just add to format all this. Okay, if you see the first row where the heading is there, it's quite big, seems right. Let me just choose, select of my choice the font and all. Go home. First increase the size to 26. Is it enough? Or a little bigger than this? You can. Like, first let me choose the font. Accordingly I will change the size of it. Which one, like if you want to go for similar one like it is this matching? Okay, that'll be this one. Even the size is also fine for me. And here is something more is also there. See there, background, it's a gray, right? And the foreground is fine, background is only gray. So home, background, I have to just background, I have to select some kind of, okay, it's fine. Now after this I have to work on this. So if you see there, it's been wrapped, the text is wrapped, and even it is italics font. Even here also it's italics. Can you see there? All the column headings, italics. So let's do that. First let me just wrap. Select the first the cell and hold down the control key, and I will select this as well. Now I have to wrap the text. First I'm doing wrapping. Okay, home, wrap text. And I don't want this much wrapping, just widen the columns Okay, in two, yeah, in two rows if it comes it's fine, but we have to adjust in the center. Fine, in the center, and rest all also I will do this one and also this whole thing. Okay, home, we have the centering, and here it is up. See, look at this, how it's changing, and italics we have to change too. Fine, and just taking adjust like this. Fine, this all done. Anything more of this? Yeah, here we have to add dollars and all for this cost. We will do it last when we have to do even for the calculations. Okay, fine. Now we'll go for further questions. Question 11 is done. 12. Enter a formula in cell F7 to calculate the floor area of the shed in square meters. The floor area is the length multiplied by the width of the shed. See, here is the good thing. We have lots of calculations. That's one thing. That's fine. When it's fine, since you have all the formulas given there, just we have to know how to place them in Excel formats. These are mathematical format they gave. Just we have to enter in Excel in its format. Fine. So now we have to concentrate more on that than looking for the calculation, since we have here the formulas and all. Fine. So now let's start. Length into width in F7. FC. This is F7. Hope it's right. Fine. Equal to, every formula starts with an equal to length into width. Okay, enter. Length into width, is it? Width of the shed. Length multiplied by width of the shed. Fine. Okay, this is done. And what about the capacity here? Now let's see anything other one. This is where, see here also one more thing. One question, the previous question is connected to the next question. 13 is connected to the 14, 14 is connected to 15, and 12 is connected to 13. Okay, if you get any wrong value in 12, automatically it applies to the next question and the next question and the next question. The whole calculations will go wrong, so be careful with that. Now 13, enter a formula in cell G7 to calculate the cubic capacity of the shed in cubic meters, and see the formula. Okay, now let's work on this formula. Let's work on the formula like apex height plus wall height. See, this will add up. Okay, will add up, and the addition is multiplied by floor area by 2. Here it is. Okay, equal to apex height plus wall height. Fine. Now multiplied by, okay, multiplied by floor area by 2. Fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just I'm going to add the brackets over here. Okay, just double click, you will get the formula, and we'll use brackets. Close here because first addition as per both moss. Okay, here, see there how the value is changing. Done. Okay, so you can see the formula over here in the top. Now next question. 13 is done. Now 13's value will be taken in 14. It goes like that. 14, Enter formula in cell H7 to calculate the roof area of the shed. Roof area of the shed. Roof area is equal to 2 into length. See how to mention this in Excel. Such a big calculation and having square roots and all, and even see there is a square as well. Here is a square and here is a square, and also there is a square root. Yes, so it is such a big formula, but it's very simple to do in a computer. Now in H7, what is the calculation? Roof area, it is 2 into length. Here, equal to 2 into length. Where is the length? This is the length. Okay. After that, again into. Let me just take into. Here, square root is there. Square root. So we have a function in Excel that is just square root, sqrt. You have to open sqrt. Now further we have to do, say, width by 2 whole square. The brackets are needed, and whole square, how to mention? Okay, open bracket. Where is the width? This is width by 2, close the bracket. Now square, we have to mention square. For that we have on our keyboard 1, when you press shift 6, shift plus 6, that's called exponent in mathematical way, or we call this by name, it is caret symbol. By name it is caret symbol, C-A-R-E-T, caret. Now raised to 2, that means, now look at that. Next, plus apex height minus wall height. Okay, plus, now again another bracket, apex height plus, no, minus or plus, minus wall height, and it's a square as well. And follow the same, shift 6 raised to 2, and close the bracket of the square. Enter. This is what value we get. Hope you understood this. Yes, you can just rewind the video and check again if you have any more doubts. Fine. Till here it's done. Now the rest we'll do in another paper. Fine, we're going to do in another paper the rest. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. The second part, okay, the second part, part 2, we're going to continue right now. You can just go to the second part and see the continuation. To have a continuity, because the video gets very heavy and very lengthy. You feel boring, and even for the loading and all, it takes a lot of time.